We're in Animal Kingdom.
Happy birthday.
Thank you. Yeah, everything's so green. It looks like we're in the jungle. Wow, the Tree of Life looks real nice.
I'm
Wow.
to get a fast pass for that one because that one's really popular.
Look at them over there. I can't believe they have actual monkeys over here. Like, how do they not come over here and attack us? Our first activity for the day. Waiting for our show. Nemo the Musical.
I'm here, Dad's probably back in the pet store.
Pet store?
Yeah, you know, like I'm from Bob's Fish Market.
Mr. Mama.
Mail order, eBay.
I'm from the ocean.
The ocean, eh?
Hi, Nigel.
I'm from the ocean too. Sorry if I ever took a snap at your lane.
So we're having this for lunch. Damn, this looks so good. So I'm gonna try Sabrina's first. She got the one with sausage. Damn, that's good. And I got this one. I don't know where to start. I don't want to drop it. The chicken tastes good. It's like grilled. It's like grilled chicken. So good. And then it comes with this. Wanna try it? It's okay. You like it? We're waiting in line to see the Festival of the Lion King, so I'm super excited. So thanks to God, Sabrina accidentally canceled our roller coaster for today. So I'm very happy. So instead, we're watching an Up musical or a play. I don't know what it is. That's our last thing that we're doing today. Thank you, Jesus.
We can't go yet. We only just got here. And you promised us a great bird adventure.
But people will be worried about you, Russell.
We're now leaving Animal Kingdom.
We've been here since, what, 9 right?
Since 9 in the morning. And what time is it right now?
We've been here 9 hours. It's 6.
We've been here 9 hours and we're done. So it's our last park day and we're at Magic Kingdom and it's dark and cloudy and it's rainy. So we're gonna try to make the best of it. We might leave early. Sabrina's not feeling very well today, but we're still trying to enjoy our last day. I know, Brina. That was ugly. I hope the cat won't spit at you. Stop! Brina! That feels ugly. Well, that ride was kind of whack. It only lasted like 5 seconds and we waited a whole hour thanks to this one. We're on to our next ride. It's like a Little Mermaid ride or something like that.
She won't say a word, she won't say a word until you kiss me.
We're about to have lunch at Starlight Cafe. What we got for lunch? Sabrina's about.
You want more of this?
Don't matter.
It's because I don't want the weenie by itself.
Oh, wait. That looks so good. Oh my god. You're not tired, leaving? You're not tired? I want to do a cover photo. Hold on. Come here. I don't care people in the back. That's what they should be there. Hold on. Look at that. I'm sad, guys, because we're calling it a day and we're leaving. Say goodbye to the castle. Yeah. We're just exhausted and we're tired and we leave tomorrow morning. She's still taking pictures. Bye, castle. Thank you for the great memories.